So the next thing that we're going to be talking about the strings is the times that we have some exceptions inside the strings. For example, we have the items that we want to skip, but it changes the string itself. For example, we want to use the quotation marks inside the strings, but if you use this right here, for example, if you want to use quotation mark right here, the string is going to be closed, and if you want to use another, these two strings are going to be separated. So for example, let me, in order to show you an example, create another Python file. So skipping .py, and right here, let me define exceptional string. So this is just an exception, and here I enter, for example, this is a quotation mark. So we enter this this quotation right here that we want to talk about it. So in order to skip this and don't let it close the string, we can simply use backslash right here, and this is going to, actually we need to use this backslash. Okay, and this is going to skip this the closing of string, and it's going to show it inside the string, and these backslashes are not going to be shown. Okay, so let's save this and can print exceptional string. So we should actually write Python skipping.py, and actually Python 3. So Python 3, here use these ones, and also we probably don't need to have backslash after this quotation. Okay, and this one should work. Okay, this quotation is a quotation mark. Okay, this one works. So if we have the kind of characters that we want to skip showing them, we can skip the effect of them inside the string. We can use backslash right here. So because this quotation mark has the effect of closing the string, we want to skip that, so we use this backslash before the quotation in order to skip it. There are also other cases when we want to go to the next line or want to create spaces. So we use this backslash. So probably I should have named this Python file the application of backslash. But anyway, let's create another one. Call it 2. This is a space in a string. So let's save this and run it. So probably need to print it. So let me just simply print it and save this one. Python 3 is skipping.py. So as you can see, we have created a space tab right here with backslash t. You can also create backslash n for going to the next line. So you can write print. This is next line in the string. Let's save this and run the code. This is next line in a string. So as you can see, we have gone to the next line, and by using the \n. And there are so many other cases we use backslash for doing different purposes, but here \n and \t and \ for the quotation mark is very useful and very handy, so you need to memorize them for handling different kinds of string.